Hi guys, previously we learned how to write a SOQL query, the basic syntaxes, how to write the query and how to retrieve the data. We have learned previously. Now we will learn few more things like you can see here. So how to suppose you are checking a condition, okay, there we will use the operators like if the amount is less than 15,000, if amount equal to 15,000, if amount is not equal to 15,000, if it is amount is less than and less than or equal to, these are all the operators. Okay, so let's see how to use these operators. Let's go back to the Salesforce org and we'll click on the inspector. So how to come to this inspector page is, first you need to add the Salesforce inspector extension, then it will be available. So click on here, so click on data export. So this is syntax. So how we will write in general, we will first we need to write select right. So then we will write, then we will write the field name, whatever the fields we want, we will write that field name like name, ID and name, and I want amount field, okay, from opportunity. Okay, so you can, if you click on export, it will retrieve the data, right? So I want to keep a condition. So if you want to keep any condition, what we need to do, we need to write the where clause, right? So we'll write where clause here, then on which field you want to check, you want to give the condition. So I want to give a condition on amount field. Okay, if the amount is equal to 15,000, then I want those records. Okay, click on export, so it will retrieve the records, it will retrieve the opportunity records where amount equal to 15,000, right? You can see. Okay, so it is not equal to 15,000, so it means, so whatever the records in the opportunity object where amount field does not equal to 15,000, it will retrieve those records, right? If I click on export, you can see all the fields, there is no 15,000, right? It means you are not fetching those records where amount field is not equal to 15,000, right? Again, we have, you can see in the documentation, first equal to is done, the expression is true if the values in the field name equals to the value in the expression. So similar, we are checked for the equal and not equal to. So let's check with less than. Okay, so let's go back here. So instead of equal to, we will use less than. Okay, it means if the amount is less than 15,000, then those records only it will be retrieved. Okay, we click on here, so you can see there is no record where the amount field value is less than 15,000. Okay, this is less than. Okay, we will use now greater than. So click on here, so you can see, we can see all the fields, all the records where the amount is greater than 15,000. Okay, we can use greater than or equal to as well. So what it will happen if the record value is 15,000 and greater than 15,000, it will retrieve both records, right? So click on here, so you can see the 15,000 amount record is also available, and more than 15,000 amount value of those records are also available, right? So similarly, we can use less than or equal to as well. Okay, you can see. Uh, let's do one thing. We will change the record value of one of the record. It's around 14 or 12,000. Let me open in a new tab. Okay, go to the opportunities. Click on all opportunities to view all the opportunities. Click on any, open any record. Okay, let's go here and change the amount value to 10,000, right? So click on save. Okay, if I click on here, so previously it's showing only two records where the amount is less than or equal to 15,000. If I click on export, you can see the another record is also available where the amount is less than 15,000. Okay, that's all about the operators. Thank you.